Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you from my studio today. Just really quick, I've got a new series called Crochet Basics that I'm going to be bringing to you guys. I didn't want to set up all my stuff for a fancy intro, so this is just, I'm recording this on my cell phone. I want to let you guys know that this is going to be a new series, Crochet Basics, and they'll be here on YouTube. But if you want to go back and refer back to them, I'm going to have a tab on my blog. So right underneath that header of my blog, it'll say Crochet Basics. MelanieKham.com is the blog URL. And you can click there. As I put these out, I'm going to archive them there. So you can go back, refer to them, and check them out as you need to. That way it's just all a good spot to go check it out. So today's video, we're going to do the magic knot, which is how to join your yarn, magic knot. Stay tuned for tons more, but let's jump right into the magic knot video. All right, so let's pretend that our peach yarn is the end of the skein that we've been working with, and this green yarn is the new ball. Okay, so we just need to overlap the yarn slightly, and the first thing we'll do is we'll take the green yarn, bring it over the peach yarn, okay, and then make a loop and bring it through. So we're basically just tying a little knot around the peach yarn. Don't overthink this, okay? It's not a huge deal, okay? So just see how there's a knot over the peach? So now we need to do the peach over the green. Same kind of thing. So we'll bring the peach over, and then we'll make a little loop. And then bring that tail around and through. Pull on it nice and tight. So that's how it's looking. Now you'll hold the peach and the green, or whatever your colors are. It's probably the same color. And you'll pull it. Pull it nice and snug. Then take some nice sharp scissors and cut it really close to that knot. Don't worry, it won't unravel, I promise. See? Look how seamless that would be. Imagine that this is the same color, right? Easy peasy. Done in a jiff, and then you can continue crocheting. So this is the magic knot. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it really helps this channel out. Also, if you have any questions, leave those in the comments section down below, and any requests too. I will see you in the next video.